front of me is Xiaomi 17 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. First of all, you need to launch any app you wanna use in this view and access it in the background like that. When you're ready, hold it and wait for all of those options to show. When they do, select this one, which is pop-up view shortcut. It's located above the gear one. After you click on it, your app will instantly turn into floating window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its bottom corners and drag it as well. If you want to close it, hold this line at the bottom and swipe it up. To use it in full screen view right away, hold the same one and this time drag it down. If you want to minimize your app, you can tap on the home button and swipe tiny window to the side. Then access it by clicking on the bubble and tiny window. Last but not least, most people miss that you can click on those three dots you are using to move your window around, and this way access all of those options. This one to use your app in full screen view, one with an X to close your window, and my favorite ones, those two. Thanks to them, you can switch from pop-up view to split screen. Just tap on one of those icons, click on the second app, and use both at once. To go back to pop-up view, just tap on the same three dots, and this time select pop-up view icon. Now tap on home button and tap on tiny window if you want to use it like that, not overlay the other app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!